What is cybersecurity and how does it work? Cybersecurity is the practice of preventing unauthorized access to computer systems, sensitive data, and networks. These cyber attacks are designed to steal data, alter internal data, or destroy sensitive data. Malware, ransomware, and phishing are examples of cybercrime. Because of the increasing importance of data security and regulations that enforce cybersecurity measures, as well as the necessity of keeping your operations insulated from criminals who might want to steal your business, cybercrime prevention is becoming more common. Let's take a closer look at how cybersecurity works and why it's so important to keep criminals out of your IT environment. What are cybersecurity's advantages? Every individual and business can benefit from cybersecurity in today's world. A cybersecurity attack on an individual level can result in anything from identity theft to extortion to the loss of critical data such as trade secrets. To protect their complex IT infrastructure, businesses require data and application security. The following are some of the advantages: reducing data and security breaches that cause harm, saving the company money on damage repair and fines for noncompliance. Customers' privacy is protected and trust is built. Maintaining the integrity, values, and ethics of the brand. As business processes are refined, streamlined, and secured, a competitive advantage is gained. What are some common cyber attack examples? Cyber attacks are becoming more common, both in terms of the number of attacks and the types of attacks that are being launched. Malware, ransomware, and phishing are the most well-known cyber attacks. Malware. Malware is the most well-known type of cyber attack. Malware is malicious software that is infected with viruses and attacks your data systems. Malware includes ransomware, spyware, and Trojans. Criminals can use this type of cyber attack to steal or copy sensitive information, block access to files, or disrupt system operations. Ransomware. A type of malware that encrypts a victim's files and then demands a monetary payment in exchange for the key to decrypt them. Consider it like holding data hostage. To conceal the attacker's identities, the money exchange is usually done in cryptocurrency. Phishing. Hackers use social engineering to persuade victims to open links or download files via email, text, instant messaging, or pop-up messages. These files can then harm the operating system, lead to data theft, or be used to intimidate people. While working from home, there are some safety precautions to take. Firewalls, antivirus software, and anti-malware software should all be installed. Data breaches have been a source of concern for businesses as employees work from home, often using third-party connections or vendors. Firewalls, antivirus software, and anti-malware should all be installed when a company has remote workers. On all of their devices, including mobile devices, remote workers must have high-quality firewalls, antivirus software, and anti-malware. These safeguards enable real-time virus scanning and risk assessment prior to a security breach. Networks that are secure. Another concern for remote workers is the security of their wireless network and router. For additional security measures for WFH employees, some organizations will encrypt data. Use virtual private networks, VPNs. A commercial virtual private network is a technology that creates an encrypted tunnel between your computer and the internet, allowing you to create a private connection over a less private network. Encryption is a good idea. Another way for businesses and their remote workers to protect themselves is to use encryption software. If an employee's device is stolen or lost, the information on it could be accessed by the wrong person, exposing the company to security risks. Encryption software can safeguard company information by preventing unauthorized access to those devices. Businesses should make sure that any chatting, email, or application software they use uses end-to-end encryption. Microsoft Office and other popular programs can easily encrypt files and documents that your remote workers use and share with their coworkers. Thank you so much for watching. Would you like to see more videos about cybersecurity? Feel free to share more ideas in the comments.